Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick pizza without oven at all. We are going to do this in a pan. I promise that you will love this recipe, so please give me a thumbs up now. Now let's start by making the dough first. I have here 250 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and let's mix the three together very well. This is optional, but in order to give a nice taste to my dough, I always add some dry herbs. And of course, add some salt to your taste. Mix this well. Then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can add olive oil if you like. Then start by adding some warm water slowly until you form a dough that is not too sticky nor too dry. It's about 150 milliliters of water. If you are loving the recipe so far, please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. And also don't forget to rate the video now. Then flour the table and knead the dough until smooth. Don't hurry this step. Take your time to knead the dough really well. Grease a bowl and place the dough in the middle. Then cover this and let it rise. This can take more than 1 hour. Now sprinkle your table with some flour and roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Then roll it the way you like your crust. If you like it to be crispy or something like that, make it very thin. I shared this recipe on my Facebook page and all my followers who tried the recipe love it so much, so I hope you guys will also try it. Then cut the dough in a large circle. At the size of the pan you are using. For this recipe, you need to take a non-sticking pan and grease it with some oil. Then gently place the dough on it. Let this rest for another 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, make your tomato sauce. You can use any recipe for the tomato sauce you like, but here my recipe for a simple and delicious tomato sauce. I start with heating the oil. Then I add 3 cloves of garlic and saute that for a minute. Now add a sliced onion and cook until my onions are tender. Add some diced tomatoes and cook. Cover with half cup of water to cook your tomato until they are tender. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste and mix. This will give a nice color to your tomato sauce. For the spices, use what you love. Here I'm adding my seasoning, black pepper, dry herbs, mix well and add some parsley and basil leaf. Cover with a cup of water and cook. Add a half tablespoon of sugar too. This is optional, but I love to also add a tablespoon of ketchup. To finish, add some salt to your own taste. If you like your tomato sauce without meat, your sauce is already ready. But I'm going to add some cooked ground beef because my kids love it so much. Now that the tomato sauce is ready, I'm going to place my pan on the stove and use a fork to pick my dough. This will help it cook easily. Then I will put the heat to medium. Cover the pan and cook for 3 minutes or until the bottom of the dough starts to brown. Flip it and now you can start topping your pizza. I will start with adding a little bit of ketchup and spread. Then I will add my delicious tomato sauce and spread all over my pizza. At this point, you have to make sure that the heat is not too high to prevent the crust from burning. If you love vegetables, you can add them too. Add what you like. I will just add pepper, tomatoes, and onions. The last thing to add is the cheese. I love some mozzarella, so I'm going to add that. Then cover the pan and let the cheese melt completely. Once the cheese is ready and your crust is cooked at the bottom, it's ready. Remove and serve and enjoy. So if you love my recipes, guys, please let me know in the comment box below. Have a nice day. Bye.